Hey guys, welcome back to the notes training video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that if you have updated latest iOS 18 version in your iPhone or iPad, so how can you customize your lock screen or home screen? So simply guys, you may just click and hold on any empty space, and here you may see that here is the option of edit. So you may click here, and here you may see that here is the option of add widget and customize and edit pages. So you may check. So if you want to add any widget here on your lock screen or home screen, you may click here, and here you may see that here is the option of light mode, dark mode, and automatic and tinted. Here you may select any color from here, or you may choose any color on your home screen, and then you may check yes if you want to click here, and dark mode and light mode will be enabled from here. So let's check. So here the option of large, so you may click here, and you may check your icon of your home screen will be large or small from here. So you may check. So after this guys, if you want to lock any app from your home screen, for example Canva or ChatGPT, so you may click and hold for some second, and then you may see that here the option require face ID. So first of all guys, you may just open settings, and you may enroll your face ID from here. So click here on face ID, and you may enroll your face ID. After this you may go back, and you may open that app, click and hold for some second, and click on require face ID, and here are two options require face ID. So you may click here, and your app will be locked, and this will be unlocked when your face ID will be available. And here second method is guys hide and require face ID. So when you click here, your app will be hide, and this will require face ID to unhide, and you can only search this and unhide this, and you can use this, and this will not show on your home screen or in library even. So by all these methods guys, you can customize your home screen or your lock screen easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.